students, today we are going to learn Unit 1, second lesson, odd one in. Through this lesson, we learn point number 1, to make connection between our lives and the story. Point number 2, to be friendly, helpful and respectful towards others. Point number 3, not to judge external appearance, means outward appearance. Point number 4, importance of inner beauty. Odd one in is a story of two girls named Malti and Rima. Rima is a fashionable girl, whereas Malti is exactly opposite to her. Rima has lived in a city, whereas Malti came from a village. They both have their strengths and weaknesses. So let's read the story and see how was the journey together on page number 3. 1.2 explanation part from the passage. How was the first day to mimic Rima? So in this incident of school where Rima mother asked her daughter about the school, how was it? As they all were having together family dinner, so Rima replied as if she don't care and said, no lessons were taught. Only we are getting to used to new place. So father asked, is there any new student in your class? There was one named Malti and she was funny, replied by Rima. She made a twisted expression on her face and then keep salad for herself. Here, that is her father, Mr. Sen, questioned Rima, why do you dislike Malti? She replied she couldn't speak much English and in dislike manner she said that she had come from another state. So quietly with an expression father said, people from that state are smart and are good at maths. So Rima judged Malti and said she come to school with oily hair and bindi and added how the way she talked and imitated her voice by asking, good morning teacher. Part explanation is from her parents to last line good morning on page number 3. Now here Rima's parents are too tensed. She was the only daughter. They love and care her so much, but now Rima talks too much. Mr. Sen hope that you and your friends will not trouble Malti. And then he just got up from the dining table and Rima and her friends were just going to do the same. So when Malti entered in class, Rima and her friend teased her in her tone, good morning teacher. She even didn't realize, poor Malti, that they were making fun of her. And even she looked back at them and smiled, good morning. Now we will have an explanation from line Shehnaz giggled to Mr. Sen sadly. In this Rima's group here, when Rima's group were all making fun of Malti, where Shehnaz asked, why do you apply so much oil on your hair? She asked in a bad manner, where poor Malti looked so upset but didn't answer. Then Claire again asked, why do we wear so long skirt in a bad manner? Malti's face became red in an anger. She was about to justify. Then teacher entered. School progressed. Everyone was shocked to see that Malti used to answer all the questions asked by teacher and teacher used to praise Malti. Rima narrated the whole story at her home where her mother replied, she seems to be a smart girl. So Rima is just busy in pointing out Malti's English rather than appreciating her knowledge, cleverness, etc. Mr. Sen pointed her and replied, as your Hindi is poor, same as her maths. Later that night, they discussed that we put Rima to a good school to be smarter and a better person. But to their disappointment, her attitude was not good towards others. She was standing into snob. Now we will be further dealing with the passage the following Saturday to she felt no joy. The following Saturday, school conducted inter-house singing competition where Rima had participated in English song category, and to her surprise, Malti too participated in Hindi song category. Making fun of Malti, oily plates girl sing also. Claire replied in rock sound and started laughing, and much to their surprise, they were proved to wrong, as Malti sang very beautifully. She had well-trained and melodious voice. Rima and her gang decided to making fun of her when Malti sang, but there was complete silence in competition, so no one bothered to disturb Malti. So we learn Rima and her gang was about to caught when she done with her singing. Principal was the first to praise her, followed by the teachers and students. She won first prize, where even Rima received first prize in her English category. But she was not happy, she was jealous of Malti. Now, moving to further passage from as the term progress to countrified types. As the term progressed, now everyone knew that Malti was a clever girl. Her overall progress was excellent. She was good in sport as well as in studies. We understand that Malti was good at maths. She was a simple with her appearance. She was having a sharp and quick brain. Slowly all girls started talking with her and taking her help in maths. She happily helped them. Teachers from starting like her all the way. All the girls started becoming friends of Malti. Leaving Rima's group, they didn't like Malti as she was not stylish and not of their type. They never lost a chance of making her fun, especially of her English, which means Malti experienced regret about Rima's behavior. She was about to cry when Rima laughed at her without being mercy, because she made a mistake. Instead of saying ask, she said ux, and she was completely shaken and she was confused and accept that I know my English is very poor. Yours is excellent. Malti requested Rima that we will help you. You will help me to improve my English skill. Where Rima replied beyond her accent that learning English is not simple, and for a girl like you, it's too difficult. So Malti became very angry at her reply. She wanted to answer but no words and start to cry and ran away. So the last passage, that is from Malti's face to herself. So in the last passage we understand that Rima's friend Shehnaz said, "This time you are horrible," agreed with Neha and Claire too. All her friends now were against her. She was surprised and ran angrily. While her mother looked Rima at lunch, that Rima was very sad but decided not to ask Rima to face her own mistake was next to impossible, as she was very proud to her. Thank you.